Watch and learn. I'm in Walmart now, going to look for things I need for this new title belt. After watching some YouTube videos, I think I got an idea of what I need. So let's go find it. It says $1 per yard, but I'm not sure about all of that. I'd rather get something I'm looking for a specific type of thing, not just looking for I'm not making, as you know, I'm not making clothes, I'm making a title belt. And then, this has, this is $3.97 for just this. I think this is fine. It's $1 per yard, and I'm not sure what it is. Now we're gonna see what else we can find. Oh, scissors. Oh, we got scissors at home. It's just a waste of money. Okay. So right now we're gonna get ready, and we're gonna find. Going to find. What else do we need? We need duct tape. Let's go find the duct tape. The duct tape. I need black duct tape. Black. Grabbing this because it's better for me right now. Because I don't want to come back to the store later on. I probably won't be doing all of this lot. So, and me looking at rust pans, these rust cans reminded me that I need some gold spray paint, so let's find the spray paint. Alright, so I found spray paint. Now I'm going to look for those markers. Getting super crazy at it. I'm beginning to think that I need a basket now because my hands are getting very full. But forgot one thing. We're gonna look at either Velcro or the buttons, actual buttons, and I think we'll be good. So I found the Velcro. I didn't find the button. But I think they're also in this section somewhere too. But right now I'm just gonna go with Velcro. Up to 10 pounds. Let's grab 2. So we're gonna grab these 2 Velcro things. I'll grab 2 of them. Grab 2 of them just in case I want to see how this works out. I will worry about the buttons later. I think I'm good. Okay, so I got everything I think I need. I found what I'm looking for, and hopefully I don't spend too much. No one knows I'm here. Like my girlfriend and her mother and sister are going to Chicago for our little cousin's birthday. I extremely apologize for not being there, but you know, I had to work the next day. But again, I apologize. But I really can't. Honestly, I can't sleep because of my medicine I'm taking. I just need to find something to do. I walked all the way to Walmart. It was a hell of a walk. Now I'm gonna head home. I think I got everything ready. I got the Velcro, the marker, the spray, and got the tape. I got the fabric. Now I might go to my job and get some cardboard. Even though this particular thing has cardboard on it, I still want to, still. And then, by the way, this is title belt. Match all shit. More still here. It'll be alright. He doesn't care. He won't know. What he don't know, okay? And I'm out. Like, I was not kidding when I said that I have not been to sleep all night. That's sunrise. That's sunrise, ladies and gentlemen. Not sunset, sunrise. I have not been to sleep all night. And I'm actually headed back to my job one last time before I go back home and rest up until 3 o'clock. Whereas at 3 I have to get ready for work because I have to be there at 4 instead of 3. Work 4 to 11, which is a typical work day for me. But right now I'm gonna walk back to the store up here. Gonna grab this cardboard and yeah. See you when I see you.